You are not allowed to eat this thing.
I can't eat pork?
I have a surprise for you tonight.
What's your surprise? Good morning, Philippines!
Morning! Today is Monday, guys. Hindi ako alis, guys. Di ba I told you na aalis ako early ngayon? Early. Ito na namang si Tami nag-change yung mind. Nag-change yung mind niya. Siya daw yung pupunta dito. So, tinawagan ko siya this morning. Sabi ko, I want you to be here early because yung promise, yung gagawin ko, yung may nag-request. So, gagawin ko siya dito na lang sa lugar na to. So, gagawin ko siya. Hopefully, magawa namin yan today. Fingers crossed. Good morning, guys! Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari sa laptop ko, pero palagi siyang nagkaganito kapag hindi siya na-charge. Tignan mo. Tignan mo, kakaon ka lang. Kumakanta na yung video ko. Sana makarating siya dito. At sana, hindi ko alam kung ano yung dadalhin niya doon galing sa isang bahay papunta dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung na-impake niya. Wala naman ako. So, yung plano ko, ako na lang yung pupunta doon Wednesday night. And then Thursday hanggang Friday. Few hours later, guys. Oh my God, guys. Nakapag-shower na tayo. It's already 2 o'clock. I think malapit-lapit na yan siya dito. And hindi na ako mag-grocery. Nag-edit ako this morning, diba? And then napagod ako sa ka-edit. So sabi ko, pahinga muna tayo. Naglalaro lang ako, guys, sa baba. Malapit na si Tami, guys. So, abangan natin dito, okay? Abangan natin dito. Hindi siya.
You have reached the voicemail box of...
Kaluka, hindi sumagot. Wala na atang signal yun. Yung bundok-bundok na yan, ito guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito siya. Parang na high level ba? Gusto kong ipaano yan? Palinisin this year, linisan. And then, lagyan ng mga tanim-tanim. Wala pa man. Ay, tagal. Kahit tagal, para na akong naluluwa. I think siya na yun. May narinig ako. Siya na talaga, guys. Siya na yun. Lag. Puntahan na natin sa baba. Yung aso, maririnig nyo yan. Andun na sila. Andun na sila sa laundry area na sila. Where's Dada? Where is your Dada? Where's Dada? Huh? Where's Dada? Dada's here. You go get it. Ala. Na-slide. Naku, ay, magpuyo lagi ba? Na-slide na ka. Na-slide na. Tala. Okay, let's go see Dada. Let's go see Dada.
Hey, big girl. Hey, little girl.
Roxy, come here. What are you snipping over there? Give me some.
I want to take the frozen stuff out. This stuff goes in our shelf. This is the laundry.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
On the outside.
Hindi na dito, guys. Bunda!
The hell about that?
Okay, honey. This is freezer burn.
No, it's not.
Freezer burn.
No, it's not. I'm being fat on it.
Why you don't put it in the bag to make it one bag?
No.
Where is the thing of this? Where is it?
Oh, there it is.
Why you call him Bobo Lips?
What did Mama do to you? Oh, look at that. That is not good.
Like, it's my fault. Whatever, Tommy. Everything happens to them, it's my fault. It's crazy. Hubs, may ano dito is cub. Mahal na mahal niya yun. Kasi daw nabubo daw yung anak niya. Nabubo. Parang stupid bubo. Parang nagkayayay. Nagkayayay talaga. Nagkayayuyay. So what? It's my fault?
You gave that little boy boo-boo lip.
I did. Seriously, Han? I gave it to him. Lagay ko to sa freezer. Downstairs. Ayan, nag-grocery na naman siya, guys. Hindi niya mapigilan yung sarili niya. Grocery na naman siya. Ayaw niyang magdiritso-diritso dito. Grocery. Tignan natin kung anong binili. Tignan natin kung anong binili. Ala, mga turkey sa anak niya. He went to the filming room, oh. Oh, filming room, your office. Bumili ng para sa pusa, mga turkey. Hala. Malaking, this is a big Clementines. Hopefully this is sweet, hun.
I hope.
Because usually
They
big
don't have
is not.
the little ones. They don't have the little ones they had.
Yeah, usually.
I like the cuties, but they don't have cuties. They have this. This is a mandarin. They're not.
Okay, eat your lunch. Now he is planning to jump over there.
Hi, little bug.
So he got chicken. For no reason, I have chicken here and he got more chicken.
Sorry.
And of course, he get more dog bones. Why you get this? What is this? Almond braise. Is this good for you?
Well, it's better than the regular one, I guess. I don't
Ah, you don't even research, huh?
know. I didn't.
You just like buy it. Just because.
Because I want a glass of milk and I can't have regular milk.
Anyway, guys. So, ito yung buhay. Buhay. Ah, you know what? I'm going to defrost this, han. I will try to cook this Saturday. You're not here.
Okay.
You are not allowed to eat this thing.
Can't eat pork?
I'm-
When?
But you're in diet, remember?
Oh, so now I can't eat red meat because my kidneys, and I can't eat pork because of my diet. I get it.
Can I just defrost it? I'm eating Lloydie. Ha?
Okay.
Defrost natin ito. Gamitin ito Saturday. It's a pork thing. I-rotate rin natin itits. And
Oh, what, you want to know where's yours?
eat a little bit, okay? Eat a little bit that you can eat a little bit dinner too, okay? I'm paying attention what you eat. You pay attention what you eat? Did you say hi to everyone?
Hi to everyone. Hi, Ann.
I love you.
Love you too. We
Hard
use
head.
good.
You're hard head. That's it, and that's it.
One more each.
You have dinner. They're gonna have dinner.
Okay, Mama said no more.
Dinner. Listen to me, huh? Then we're gonna do the garbage thing. This I really wanna do it, huh?
Me too. I want to film you getting arrested.
Wait, is it gonna be arrested?
You could.
Huh?
Good.
Honey, you scare me now. Wait, there's a lot of dumpster diving in YouTube, huh? No, they don't get arrested.
I didn't say you will. I said you could.
Kalukan naman ito si Tamo. Eh, takutin man na lang na ito. You scare me, Han.
What say, Ann?
Han, eat na.
When I eat this.
Can I have one try?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try this.
You want that instead of trying this?
Your son is enjoying it, honey. Hala, oy, para talaga siyang sunkiss talaga siya, guys. Orange lang. Orange na sunkiss. Naalala ko noon ba? Tuslog asin dito, asin. Ah, naglalaway na naman ako. Naalala ko talaga sa bukirin ba? Yung, you will put salt here. Sunkiss, the sunkiss is very sour, han. Sour? Oh my, and then we put salt, han. We do it like this. Han.
So you made it sour.
Hala, it's sunkiss, han.
These are not spicy.
Salt. Look, spicy.
Supposed to be, but they're not.
Asim, guys. Sour is good, soury.
That's why I forgot cranberry.
You got fruit. You know what kind of fruit you're getting, and then you're cruising. Forgot.
What do you mean I know what kind of fruit I'm getting?
You know what kind of fruit that you always eat, and then you
Cranberry
forgot.
juice.
The juice.
Right.
Lahat.
You
Knife,
finished
knife, knife.
already.
So ngayon, ito pala yun, guys. Ang plano ko sana is dumpster diving. Kaso, Kasi may nag-request sa akin. Matagal na yung request na yon. I don't know if you remember nag-request ka kung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo. But yeah, somebody requested me to do a dumpster diving. And also, you know, I've been watching, you know, so, yung Filipina YouTuber, and nanonood ako sa kanya. And ngayon, excited na sana ako. So ngayon, sabi pa ni Tami, 'di ba narinig niyo no, hindi daw ako sakpan. So anyway, so research ko online if it's illegal to do dumpster diving. Illegal pala siya, guys. Dito sa New York, illegal. Pwede iwan ko, matakot ako, guys. Gusto ko talagang gawin, promise, guys. Gusto kong gawin, gusto kong matry. Pero takot ako. And yeah, takot. Dahil sa illegal. And ayaw kong ayaw kong maano ng pulis, matawag yung manager, ang katinang puwet ko. So, hindi na lang tayo ang exciting, parang exciting man siya. Yung dumpster diving, exciting, kasi nakikita ko sila, yung Pinay na vloggers. Exciting, Han, right?
What's that?
Nothing. I'm excited, but it's like illegal. I cannot do it. Guys, let me know, guys, if you live here in New York, okay lang ba mag-dumpster diving? Gusto ko talagang makatry, promise. Gusto kong matry yun. Gusto kong matry yung excitement ng pagda-diving na yan. Kung ano yung makikita mo, ganon. Han. Hala, you let the dog out. I don't even know.
Yes, where are you running to? Look, you scare her.
I have a surprise for you tonight.
What's your surprise? Oh.
Hindi ko talaga natin. Nagsasalita na naman ito si Roxy, guys. Kinausap na yung ama na, ito na sana yung araw. Pero illegal pala. Hindi pala pwede kasi illegal nga. Sana meron akong makilalang Pinay na talagang meron, mahiya naman ako dito sa mga kilala ko, kaya parang hindi naman sila okay sa mga ganun. Pero sana meron akong makilalang Pinay na go sa dumpster diving. Yun talagang gulang bahala na si Batman, ganun. Kung nandito ka man sa New York at saka nanonood ka sa video ko, kung gusto mo mag-dumpster diving, let me know. Mag-dumpster diving tayo. And para ka na hindi tayo masakpan ba? Hindi tayo madakip ng pulis. Magtago-tago tayo. Anyway, guys, bye. See you later. Siya yung nagpakain ng mga aso. Anyway, guys, so ito, guys, itong pork shoulder. Nagdinidefrost ko siya and ilagay lang natin sa refrigerator dito sa baba kasi para sa Friday po ito o Saturday. Lulutuin ko to. And yan. Hi, baby.
I was like, hey, there's no tuna. I was expecting tuna. Look what you gave me this crap.
I told you. I just gave them tuna. Oh, they like that. You know that? Huh?
What?
They like the tuna. Oh, they like the turkey. What?
He has 5% on it because he told me to take it out.
What are you doing?
You're going to see where Roxy is.
Did you let them out again?
Just Roxy.
My God, hon, why you always do that and then you don't pay attention to her?
I watched her. She's been sitting under the trees all the time.
Now she's looking over there. She probably see something. If you lose this dog, I'm gonna believe me, hon. You know she is the scoochie love of my life. Excited, huh? Look, she's excited, guys. She's going to eat her.
Monkey.
They're going to eat their dinner. Misty's right there. Eat your din. Eat your din. No. She is so happy when I was playing with her upstairs with a blanket. I hide under the blanket. And then I scare her. She just love it, honey. She's running to the other room, back to the filming room. She's right. Okay, do you want some trees?
I remember the shock that I felt when I was told that I had prostate cancer. I put my trust in God first and went through cyber vaccine and their fantastic track record. I experienced many side effects.
Oh, we baby, drop it, then Mrs. will get it. Here, Ross, here.
Oh, and she is. She's not beautiful.
She made her lose her sweet. You squish the hell out of them all. No wonder they get like annoying to me. Because you're annoying to them.
What are you drinking?
Nasty crap.
You know that I drink halahan. You're not good with it. Are you illegal to drink that?
I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it.
What is kind of drink is that?
That's the shit Alice stuff here.
Huh?
That shit I had bought for Alice when she was here.
What's the name?
I don't know. It's a bourbon. It's not a good bourbon.
I thought it was you're drinking scotch.
No, that's my last bottle. I don't want to open
Han, wait, a lot of people like this, Han.
What?
They mentioned when I cleaning it, the Shivas.
Oh, sure, it's real.
Is it beef?
It's scotch.
Is that scotch too?
Yeah.
Ah.
Like Johnny Walker. I prefer Johnny Walker.
Guys, scotch palang Shivas, guys. I don't have any idea. I told you that I drink the other night, right? Red wine. I'm baking the food. We're gonna eat some, guys. I'm gonna bake the other fish. Han, why you dancing? Nagda-dance talaga. Let me turn the light outside kasi. Ay. Yan. Dance. Do something to her. Go make her crazy. Dance, Han. Kakaiba talaga itong sumayaw itong asawa ko ba? Nagsisilos yan, guys. Hala. Miss mad, guys. Miss mad. Hala, miss mad. Hala, galit. Nagalit. Hala, nagalit ang maliit. Da. Miss mad, Han. She's mad.
Two Roxy landed on your head.
Miss Roxy never get mad to Misty, Han. She never does. Lasagna is cooked, guys. There you go. Masarap itong lasagna from Costco. And ito from Trader Joe's din to. Ito yung dinner namin, guys. Kasi lutuin natin siya sa pot. Para maganda yung pagkaluto niya. Yan. Initin lang natin siya dito. Nag-alala siya sa anak niya, guys. Kasi nagkabubo daw. And he always mention bubo. I-on natin tong movie natin. Mag-movie tayo. We're going to watch a movie. Ang mag-ama. His favorite son. His favorite kid. Look at that. He's looking at you, honey. Yes, so what are you feeling, little boy? You think he's feeling that pain? You think it's painful? Do you want me to put petroleum jelly?
No.
Maybe it will kind of like dry, honey. It's probably dry skin. Oh, what a spoiled little boy. Pakilala ko sa inyo, guys, yung pinaka-paborito kong mushroom sa buong mundo. Ito yung paborito kong mushroom, puti. Yung makukuha mo lang sa kahoy sa bukirin na kumakapit puti. Ito siya. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong mushroom. At yeah, ito yung palagi may namin kinakuha noon sa bukirin. Tumutubo ito sa kahoy na natumba. Yun. Matigas-tigas ito. Niluluto namin ito lauoy, sabaw. Ang sarap, grabe. So, kung yun lang, ipakilala ko lang sa inyo. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan, pero ang pangalan nito is mushroom in English. Nakalimutan ko na sa Bisaya, guys. Because you're such a good husband. You're a dishwasher. What? Don't hand me, hon. Okay? Don't never hand me. Because that's like telling the kids. I'm not your kids.
Han?
I'm your wife. There you go. I said no.
Han?
Honey said no. Yon, and nakahiga na naman yung asawa ko, guys. Nakahiga lang siya. Han, are we gonna watch movie? Ha? Naputol yung movie namin, guys. Tignan natin anong ginawa niya. What happened? Oh, you're redoing it? Roxy. Are you waiting? Are you waiting? Are you waiting? Hi, Diam. You're so fat, baby. Fat baby. Oh, baby. Oh, hello, honey. Oh, your son ba is still there, hon? Hello, guys. Tapos na yung movie. We don't watch Korean movie because for some reason yung ano is nag-flicker, hon. So, we did watch Nicolas Cage movie. It's good, but the ending is kind of sad. And look who's here with us. Dimple Lord. Dimple Lord. Anyway, guys, we're going to end the vlog. It's already 9 o'clock yun. We're gonna end this and I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Good night, honey. Good night. Night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hello. Oh, he's still like, what are you watching now? Okay, guys, manonood daw siya ng iba. But anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!